Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today I am sharing with you how to make a digital vision board just to motivate us in 2022 to keep us really on track of our goals. So the reason why I thought I would do my desktop is because I am constantly on my computer, and I know that I'm not the only one that's always on my computer. Apparently, according to the Bureau of Statistics, now this was 10 years ago, the average adult was on their computer 39 hours a week. Nowadays, with the pandemic and everything, we're even on our devices even longer. And they say for the mobile phone, it is approximately 58 times a day that we'll actually pick up our mobile phone. So if we do a screensaver or a wallpaper of some sort, every time we touch our device, it's going to be in our face and we're going to see it. So we're going to be constantly reminded of not only our goals, but of the why of our goals to keep us really motivated for this year. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Of course, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's jump into this video. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna be using the app called Canva. So Canva is a free application. You can get a paid version, which is going to let you do a lot more things, but this one here is completely free. You can get templates, or you can completely custom make your own. So what I'm gonna be sharing with you today, you'll be able to use this on a mobile phone or any sort of desktop. So where you need to start off is you need to find out what the dimensions are of your device. So you can do this by simply Googling what your make and model of your device is, and it's going to give you the dimensions so you know where to start off. Okay, so this is the current situation I'm in. I do put all my folders down the side here. These are mainly like YouTube videos and stuff like that, so I can group all the videos into one and then dump it into the rubbish box when I'm finished. And then these are some of the pictures I've selected for our screensaver. So just want to go into Canva there and just type in up Canva. And you do need an account, but it's free, so don't stress. And then you just want to go into custom size, and then you just want to put in your dimensions in here, which mine is for my MacBook Pro. And then you just go to create design. And now you've got an untitled design here. So here's all the bits and pieces that you can get. See how it says on here, it says free in the corner, and then this one here is free, but then you've got the ones here that say pro. So these are the ones that you need to be have their paid service for, but there's heaps of stuff here for free if you want to use these, or you can just completely make your own. So guys, I am just starting off by grabbing all my pictures. So some of these are actually saved into Canva. Then I've also got the ones that I have saved onto my desktop. So I have just got those from the photos that were on my computer. Then I've just jumped onto Pinterest and I have just downloaded photos from there. So all you're looking for is the little arrow. So if you hover over the picture, you'll see the little arrow in the corner, which is your download arrow. Alternatively, you could press the Command C button to copy, then the Command V button to paste, or Control C and Control V. Now that I've got all the photos up, I'm just going around and resizing everything and just moving everything around, getting an idea of what is going to look good and what might need to go as well, because I think I've got way too many pictures. I'm also cropping some of the pictures as well, just to make them look a little bit better and fit a little bit better into the grid. To rest when the sun is rising, I start a brand new day around the moon is shining. I long to be with you. Now that I've cropped everything, I'm just repositioning everything. So you can do this by pressing the position button, and you can make things forward and back as to where you want it to be, so that the things that you want to stand out to you will be right to the front. Okay, excuse the people mowing the lawns. Now that is done, it'll come up and then you just got to press this one here and you want to do add to photos. So that's going to add it to your photos so you can actually put it on your wall. So we'll hop out of here and get out of this, all this, close, yes I do want to close it. And then we're going to go down to our photos and we're just going to have to find our photo. So we go to library and it's this one here. And then we're going to set as desktop picture. And that is it. So now you just want to have a look at where everything is on your screen because you might want to change these and you might also want to change the different colors of the boxes as well. So I'm just going to add all these in the bin because these are all the pictures that I loaded for here. So you guys could, so it was easier because so everything was set for this video. Okay, now I've shuffled everything around. This is how it's looking. So I've got my quotes, which I have purposely put everything away from there so I can read them. My business logo in the middle. I've got my healthy eating, which is one of the things I want to achieve. Get my body back, which is a picture of me and Paul. A photo of me and my girl, which is just my reasons why, is often for my little girl and to give us a better future. And then some really inspiring books here that I read because I want to get more into reading. And then I've also got a picture from when we went away, which was such a beautiful getaway, and I want to do more of that sort of stuff with my daughter. And then some more organization because I want to keep organized and keep on the organization journey, and also want to be offering that to my clients. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bells. Now just remember you can do this for your mobile phone as well. So all you need to do is just change the dimensions in Canva and then you'll be able to do it for your phone as well. So thank you all for watching, and I'll catch up with you next week for a new video. I'll see you then. Bye.